Level 4. Your first word today is general. In general, I like pie.
Pie?
But in general, I prefer cheesecake. In general, we generally do our phonogram test before this, but we're not. General. Hands out.
General. 3. J.
Oh, good. You fixed that pencil. I love it. Get your knuckles pointed out. Make your telescope round, round, round. Yes. Of g. J. Next sound. Of a. E. Next sound. Okay. Just lay it right there. Oh, general, the of her. Next sound. But we write a. Oh, guess what? Erase that last syllable. General. Now we shouldn't have written an it's just but we write and you know how to write an and there's only one, so I don't even need to tell you which Ooh, that is so ginormous. You have to cinch it up. I'm gonna have to put dots. Right there. You're leaving 3 clock letter spaces instead of only 1. And right there. But we write Can you write it? Yes. Clock letter space. There. Clock letter space is going to be right about there. Start right there. The of her. The of her. Oh, can you touch the middle dotted line? We have to touch our middle dotted line. Touch the. Oh, good job. Now clock letter space. Oh, you didn't touch the middle dotted line with your did you? It's got to touch. Oh, it helps to sit up so straight. All the way up to touch the middle dotted line. Yep. Clock letter space. That's going to be about this much space. Start your pencil right there. But we write of Ooh. Okay. Jen, you're going to start your there of her right there. There of her right there on that red dot.
The red dot?
Earlier of her. Can you write earlier of her? Earlier of her. That's what you do on your phonogram test. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Perfect. And now we say clock letter space again. We're gonna start this. Ooh, can you write that a little darker like this so we could see it? And now we're going to start right here. And we're going to write but we write so start right there on the dot. And you know what is? You can write last sound is. Oh, shoot, you wrote ahead. Oh, Helena didn't, so there goes 5 minutes of clinging for your mom. Can't write ahead, even if you think you know. You have to wait. All right. Tricky word. Look down and tell me what to write. But I do need to know. that look? Yeah, I can't leave so much space. I have to leave one clock letter space. That means the space of one ah, oh, ooh, ah. So watch this. If I were to draw a very light ah, oh, ooh, ah, that's all the space I would leave. See, that's all the space I would leave. And then I would start my phonogram right here, the of her. And then I would leave the space of one clock letter space again, only one, and I would start here and go, ah, oh. So if I took those red marks out, look, there wouldn't be but one tiny little space, the space of one ah, oh, ooh, ah. Kind of tricky, huh? All right. So I didn't notice who read it back to me, so I think I will pass out those that I heard. It's kind of hard, but I heard you. Oh, and I'm just going to look at beautiful penmanship. Too much space. Beautiful. Nice. Nice.
I put a space as big as a
Nice. Just right, Jackson. Nice. Nice. Oh, that was a space of 1.5. Can you move that over a little bit? That was a space 1.5. And it was not quite just one. How do I mark this word? Serenity, would you like to mark this word?
Yes, underline your double phonogram
All right.
and put a thinking cap above your head.
And is it general?
Yeah.
General.
Put a 2 above your chin.
And, yes, because it's a rule. Do you remember the rule? Oh, help her out. What's the rule? Oh, do you remember it? What is it? Oh, I hope you at home. I hope you at home. Kushi, do you know? Oh, if you were here, I'd call on you. Rahul, do you know? I would call on you if you did. Vad, do you know? I would call on you. Well, they're gonna watch this on the video. Vad, do you know? If you did, I would call on you. Layla, do you know? Vasuda? Ooh, I hope you can say it before we say it. Rembrandt, what is the rule?
G followed by E-I-R-Y. Say its second sound.
Yeah, G followed by E-I-R-Y. Say its second sound. Good job. The general was such a kind man. Noun, adjective, article, verb. Jackson. Why? Yeah, all right. Where's the accent? Serenity.
First.
Yes, why do we divide right here? Elena. Yeah, that is right. We don't know about this one. This is kind of a tricky mystery. That one's kind of one of those, well, scratch your head and wonder.
I think it's the one.
All right, our next word is square. A square has 4 right angles and the sides are equal. Square, hands out.
Square. One.
Thanks, Scarlett.
Square.
Oh, square. 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 Oh, I get it. Oh, that Scarlett is working so hard. Look at her get that pencil up there. Next sound. Coo. Oh, and it will help if you slant your book. Cute girl, it will help if you Slant your book right with your name. Ooh. And it will help if you swing your hand back here so you can see where you're writing. See if you can put it right there. You can see where you're going. Next sound. But. We write ah. Next sound. It will help if you pull your hand back. It will help if you pull your hand back. And we have, see, pull your hand back and roll it over. A silent final E. We do add a silent final E. Add a silent final E. All right. Now, look down and tell me what to write. I hear Rembrandt. Oh, I hear Elena. Oh, remember, I know nice, Elena. Nice. I heard everyone that time. And I'll be looking at penmanship as well. I'll be looking at penmanship as well. Nice. Nice, Serenity. Nice. 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 Oh, Beckett. That looks really good. Good job.
It's an exciting day or what?
Nice, Elena. Like it. There you go, Jackson. It's beautiful. Amethyst. Nice. All right, who would like to mark this word? Who would like to mark this word? Ho, ho, ho. Let's let Jackson mark it. That's all right.
Underline silent final E.
Good job. What silent final E job is it? No jobby is correct.
Please make a cup above your A.
Nice. It's not square.
Underline your double monogram.
Yep. There we go. A square has 4 sides. Now an adjective, article, verb. Serenity.
Adjective.
A square is the shape. I know, but it's not an adjective. And sometimes nouns can be used as adjectives. If I said a square room, then it would tell what kind of room.
Oh.
But I just said a square. Rembrandt.
No.
Yeah. What if I said, I will square my shoulders? I will Beckett.
Verb.
Yeah, why?
Because it could do it.
You are so correct. You are so correct. All right, our next word is, get your hands ready. Angry. The angry child needed a nap. Angry. Hands out.
Angry. 2. Ain.
Oh, is it ain or ang? Ang. Oh, we're saying the sounds. We're not counting, buddy. Ang. Of, a, swing your hand around so it's underneath. Next sound. But we write only an n. We're not going to write what we hear. We're just going to write an n. Yeah, there's only one g, so go ahead and write it. Next sound. Next sound.
E.
I, E. right. All right. I'm going to see who can tell me what to write. If you want a snack, look at your word and tell me what to write. Oh, nice. Well, I heard Serenity. Thank you for lending your voice. Nice. And I heard you, but you kind of didn't. I didn't hear you, but I love your penmanship. I did hear you, but I need you to write that smaller, so erase it and write not so ginormous. Nice. Oh,
So the key to
you
getting-
wrote so ginormous. Erase the whole thing and try it again. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. All right. How do I mark this word? Amethyst.
Underline your A.
Not unless it's a rule, and there's no rule.
Put a 2 above it.
Yeah, there's just it just says it's second sound. We don't need to underline it.
I think you can above your N.
Oh yes, because it doesn't say its sound.
Underline your Y and put a 3 above it.
Nice. What's the rule for the Y? Amethyst.
I or Y, no, Y not I at the end of an English word. I'm not going to use the plural night.
That is correct. Make sure your word looks like mine. The angry child needed a nap. Angry. Now, an adjective. What kind of child? Angry. What kind of child? Here, I can't get it out. You'll have to. Jackson.
Adjective.
Yes, why?
Because you
Nope,
look
it's going to be in either, nope, this one or that one. What kind of child? Or which child? Yeah. If I write in red, you should.
Write in red.
Nice. All right. Where's the accent?
Angry.
Rembrandt.
First.
Yes. Why do we divide right here? Jackson. Whoa, help him out, help him out, help him out. Serenity.
Consonants.
2 consonants. You are so correct. 2 consonants. All right, our last word today, level 4, is mean. Now, this is the kind that says, her mien was gracious. Miss Brindley. Her mien, that means her manner. Her mien was so sweet and kind. It's not the mean dog. It's means her manner or her presence. Her mien was so gracious and kind. Mean, hands out.
Mean one.
Oh, I'm seeing Scarlett slant her book and get her hand underneath her line.
E.
Oh, it's that EI thing. Well, Amethyst, what are we going to use first?
The I,
Why?
because it wasn't a substantive and there wasn't a C before it.
You are so correct. So which double phonogram?
E-I, piece of pie, right backwards.
E-I, piece of pie. Write it backwards right now. The last sound. All right, I'm noticing who is going to get a snack. Go ahead. Tell me what to write.
E-I.
heard Emmeline, and I heard Rembrandt, and I heard Beckett. Good job, Beckett. And I heard Elena. Oh, good. Did you? Yes, good. You wrote that small. Get those crumbs. And Jackson, beautiful. And amethyst, nice. How do I mark this word? Oh, I don't know. This is such a hard word, huh? Right.
No.
How do I mark this word? Scarlet. Yeah, pretty tricky. So easy. Get your straight edge and mark so carefully. Her mien was pleasant. Means her manner. Her mien. Serenity. Oh, she got her thumb up. Rembrandt.
No.
Yes, why?
Idea.
It is an idea. All right. I'm coming to look.